Hey there, fashion friends. Today is a review video.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like.
And the item we will be reviewing today is a pair of boots by Daniella Shevel. As somebody that loves heels and back in my heyday did rock some heels on a regular basis, now just practicality wise and comfort wise, I'm not really wearing the heels as much. So I was quite intrigued to try these boots out because I would love to have a pair of 3.5-inch boots in my closet that's practical. Okay, so let's just start off by talking about Daniella Shevel as a brand itself. What really pulled me in and made me really appreciate this brand is that they really promote their products to be something that they create to last a long time, to be seasonless, and as well as that being a direct-to-consumer brand, you know how I love my direct-to-consumer brands. Quality for a better price. I don't know why I do that. It's like not a flattering look on me. Like, okay, so with that, let's take a look at the boot. I chose the Belladonna boot just because I loved the 3.5-inch heel, and as well as that, just kind of the rise on the ankle. I just love the all-around look of this boot. So I got them in black, but they come in a lot of different colors. I'm in green, like a really pretty pink, a red, an amazing camel, white, so they've got some amazing colors. And these retail on their website for $495. All right, so let's do my usual fit, fabric, and function. Okay, so going into the fit, I've got a size 7, which is my normal size, and I would say these are true to size. However, with that, they are very snug. But for me, when it comes to these type of shoes, these type of boots, especially with this type of leather, snug is definitely the way to go because I know that these are gonna break in and I don't want them to get too loose. So I like them to start off snug and then they break into the actual form of your foot better. But what I will say is that if you want to wear these with super thick socks, they do run a bit narrow, so it might be a good idea to size up or do like a half size up. The lacing is amazing. It's kind of like a corset for your foot, so you can kind of adjust the tightness however you want. And then when you do that zipper up as well, it's kind of like a really comforting compression sock. They state that they can be worn without socks, and I have tested them without socks and they do the job. They are still super comfortable. There's no rubbing. I am curious to test these out in the warmer months of the summer to see if they're still as breathable with no sock. So there's that. But as for right now, yeah, definitely love these for the fact that you can wear them with a sock or not. And the memory foam sole is absolutely magical. It is like just a comfy hug of a bed for your foot. And then having that chunky heel and the placement of the heel is super comfortable. It just really gives that support to the foot. But on top of that, you know, keeping that really good style, vintage vibe. And then because of this square toe, which is actually super in right now, but I also feel like is super timeless, it actually lets your toes breathe. All right, now we're getting into the fabric. These boots are made out of durable Napa leather and are actually handcrafted in Italy. Bellissimo. Love how soft these are, love how breathable these are, and they just kind of move with your foot like a second skin when you're moving and walking and dancing around as you do with a pair of boots. But what really caught my attention, the detailing of the construction, just how meticulous and detailed they were. You can definitely tell these were made by a craftsman. Okay, so now speaking to the function. When I speak about function, it usually means about two different things: the practicality and the style. So these being a seasonless style, you know that you are definitely gonna get good wear out of these boots, that these aren't just a pair of boots that you're gonna purchase for a couple months out of the year, that you can wear these year round, which makes a huge difference. Style-wise, they're very timeless in the fact that they're just very streamlined, but at the same time are super unique and have completely set themselves apart from other boots. I think what that part is probably the lacing aspect. I've never seen that before. So love these for that reason. But as well as that, they're just super versatile. I feel like you could wear these with dresses, you could wear them with shorts, you could wear them with trousers, you could wear them with jeans. There's really nothing that you couldn't wear them with because of the simple silhouette, because of the height. Pairing these with any look, or even if it's just like a super basic look, you're just instantly gonna elevate whatever that look is. Like, to me, I think these would look so cute with a t-shirt dress. You know, t-shirt dress can be just super basic and kind of boring. Instantly just an elevated, cool, effortless look. You have that balance of like the really casual basic with these amazing stylistic boots. Being that we're in self-isolation, it's a little bit difficult to really thoroughly, wear these out in the public. But I did take the liberty of just kind of, wearing them for my everyday life in the house. Just really test out the practicality of them.
You call me a saint, but you know I'm a stranger, all willing and able to do what you want. You think I'm a thinker, but I'm just a singer, all messy and pretty, just making believe. Boy, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling down to obscurity. Don't let me ever be this alone. I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling. Shouldn't be trusting me, I could be making it all up, you know. I control, you don't know, babe, I'm a danger to myself. I control, you don't know, babe, I am fading unfelt.
These boots were definitely made for walking. All around, I would say these are great boots in the fact that they're very comfortable, very versatile, and timeless. So I'll definitely make sure to link the brand below so you can go check them out. If you did like today's episode, you know what I'm gonna ask you. Give me that thumbs up, comment below, share with your friends, subscribe if you haven't already for future weekly episodes. Okay, you have a great and safe and healthy rest of your day, and we will be chatting soon. Bye.
I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling. Shouldn't be trusting me, I could be making it all up.